So you think you've seen it all? Today I'm going to show you something that's going to make you fall back in love with New York City real estate. Hi, I'm Noble Black with Douglas Elliman Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you an apartment that is defined by its possibilities. And it all starts in this stunning great room that greets you the moment you walk into the apartment. So the first thing you're going to notice is the light. You've got corner exposure here facing south and east, gorgeous views over all of downtown Manhattan, 12-foot ceilings, and then you appreciate the details. The building is a former carriage factory, so it combines the industrial past with the hip SoHo present. And you can see that right here in the living room. The focal point here is this brass and iron fireplace. And one detail I just have to show you are these beautiful Juliet balconies. It puts SoHo at your feet. This apartment has beautiful, authentic elements of its storied past. And this wall of reclaimed wood is just one of them. It really helps soften the space and gives a natural warmth that's felt throughout the home. And one of my favorite things about this home is how it's been so thoughtfully designed for entertaining. With that in mind, the great room has been designed to be multifunctional: living, dining, and kitchen. The kitchen takes center stage here, so it had to be a showstopper, and it really doesn't disappoint. And it all starts with this stunning illuminated white quartz island. It doesn't just look great, it's super functional. You can prepare the dinner and then serve it to the guests you're entertaining. And to tie this whole room together, the cabinetry has beautiful brass accents. There's even a brass library ladder to take advantage of the oversized cabinets. Off the kitchen, there's a beautiful spot for formal dining, but if the urge strikes and the weather cooperates, there's also a great spot upstairs for alfresco dining. At the top of the stairs is this striking atrium that gives you your first peek at what awaits you outside. At over 3,000 square feet, this is one of the largest private roof terraces in the entire city. And you've got views all around, 360 degrees. There's views everywhere. For dinner, you've got a private kitchen, multiple lounge spaces. Whatever you're in the mood for, you've got space for it here. As I said, this is an apartment that's defined by its possibilities. And behind this door are the home's private quarters. This is the primary suite, but with 6 bedrooms, the possibilities are limitless. Here they paid homage to the history of the building with this exposed brick wall. That's the perfect backdrop for any of your designer pieces. And with such high ceilings, there's an opportunity for some really dramatic lighting. And it's private, it's quiet, there's ample closet space, and it has an ensuite bath. The north wing of the home includes multiple bedrooms, entertaining spaces, and a secondary kitchen. And one of my favorite staircases in the city. And here again you can see the attention to detail, with historic elements like exposed brick, reclaimed wood, and wrought iron. And the tour concludes as it began, with limitless possibilities. Thanks so much for coming on the tour with me today.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.